Hey guys, Sarah Stone Love here. Welcome back. If you're new here, my channel is all about the science and psychology of manifesting because we are on this incredible journey together, learning all about energy, frequencies, and the magic of the universe. And one of you out there left me a comment, said, can you please make a video about relationships? Stay tuned today because I'm going to be sharing the most incredibly powerful relationship visualization. It is a short meditation. It's going to help you reconnect with your inner child and be your own hero so that you can fulfill your unmet needs. And over time, this will transform your relationship because you're going to show up differently and it will change the way this person shows up for you in your life. When we're struggling with our relationships, oftentimes we'll try to diet, we'll try to buy a car, we'll change our hair, we try to look for all these external things to make stuff better. But there's nothing in the external world that can actually help with our relationships. And what happens is a lot of us have emotional blockages that we picked up in our childhood. And that's because as a child, we had unmet needs. We grew up not getting maybe the love that we needed or the kind of support that we needed in our lives. And then we grow up and we hold on to these unmet needs and we search for a partner to fulfill them. But don't worry, because today we're talking about how we can become our own hero. We can fulfill our own unmet needs and no longer have those expectations or that weight put on our partner. You know, maybe we had a parent that had a favorite child. Maybe one of your parents had an affair and you felt like you weren't enough. Or for example, for me, my father was an alcoholic, and when he would get really drunk, he would abandon us all the time. And I unconsciously internalized this as a child, that I'm not enough. So Marisa says what we're doing unconsciously is saying, I had a disappointing childhood. I need you to become my happy ending. I need you to fill the needs that my parents didn't. I need you to become my mother and father and fill all of these unmet needs for me. Marisa goes on to say that there are two very common beliefs that are formed in childhood. It's either my childhood didn't meet my needs, so I'm unlovable, it was all my fault, or my childhood didn't meet my needs, so I'll find somebody else who can. And if they don't, I'll move on. I'll keep looking till I find somebody that does. But what we have to realize and bring into our conscious awareness is that it's nobody else's responsibility to fulfill our unmet needs. It is only our responsibility. We're the only ones that can even actually do it. So today I'm going to share an incredibly powerful visualization that's going to help you become your own hero and start realizing that you are in control and that you can shift things within yourself, and it will change your relationship over time. Everything's a reflection of our own state of consciousness. So the things that are bothering you about your partner or in your relationship, or the things that really trigger you, are actually things deep down within you that bother you about yourself. I know that one can be difficult to swallow. It is for me. I continually am remembering that with my children. When I get triggered, I'm like, okay, wait a minute, let me take a pause. This is actually something in my own state of consciousness or my own belief system that is causing me to be triggered right now. It is never too late to feel love. When you know you're lovable, everybody else will too. So go ahead, get yourself comfortable, and close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Put your hand on your heart and imagine that breath is filled with love and light as it flows into your heart. Take one more deep breath, and as you do, I want you to visualize getting into your car. Open the door, sit down, turn on the ignition, and start driving. Imagine you're traveling back in time and you're headed towards the home where you grew up. Maybe you pass some stop signs, a few traffic lights, and then you pull into the driveway. Turn the car off, open the door, and begin walking towards the house. Put your hand on the front door and open it. And as you walk inside, make your way to your bedroom where you grew up. Put your hand on the doorknob, and on the other side is going to be a little version of you. Go inside the bedroom. Maybe you're sitting on the bed. Maybe you're sitting on the floor. Go sit down next to the little version of you and introduce yourself. Tell little you that it's big you all grown up. You've come here to check on yourself, to see how you're doing. What does little you need to hear right now? It's safe. You're here to be with you, and you're safe now. If it feels right, tell yourself how much you love little you. You are so important. You matter. I want to hear everything that you need to say. I'm here to protect you. I'm here becoming your loving parent right now. I'll always have time for you. Give yourself a very big hug. Imagine filling yourself and the little version of you with love and light, and a golden blanket wraps around you both, completing you. If there's anything else that you need to hear, say it right now. Take their hand. Start walking towards the door, out of the bedroom, through the house. Make your way to the front door. Step out into the yard and take them to your vehicle. Open the door, get inside, and start driving forward in time towards your home where you live now. Pull up to the driveway and go inside and show little you around. This is where we live now. See, I'm all grown up. Remember, your subconscious doesn't understand time. Subconscious doesn't know you've grown up, and that's why it's holding on to a lot of these beliefs to protect you in your childhood. But look, here's my bedroom, here's my living room, here's my refrigerator. Take a look around. Tell little you, I'm installing you into my world, and now that you live here, there's no reason to go back. I'm here to meet every unmet need you ever had, and I love you. I'm celebrating you every single day. Give your little self another hug as your heart to heart begin to merge as one, as you forever install your little self into your current reality now. Take a deep breath and breathe into that feeling of so much love and support. And when you're ready, open your eyes. I hope this meditation helps you as much as it's helping me and all of my coaching clients. It's made an incredible difference on so many people's lives. And somebody asked me the other day, is this on your YouTube channel? And I realized it wasn't, and it's so profound and so powerful. I want you guys to all have this experience and this information that I feel like we should be taught in school, but we're just not. Yes, we can be our own hero, and yes, we can fulfill our unmet needs, and yes, it will change our lives and our relationships. I'm Sarah Stone Love. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know, leave me a comment, let me know what subjects you'd like me to talk more about, and I'll be happy to do that. And join me every week. We'll be sharing more content on how to manifest the life you love living.